In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join Semrush affiliate program. If you've been looking to monetize your content by recommending a leading SEO platform, this walkthrough will get you to the right place quickly and confidently. You just need an internet connection and a modern browser. Start by opening your preferred browser. Chrome, Safari, Edge, or Firefox all work. Make sure it's up to date. If you use extensions that block scripts or cookies, pause them on official sites while you apply, as they can sometimes hide buttons or forms. Next, click into the address bar at the top of the window and carefully type www.semrush.com LP affiliate program N, then press enter. Typing the full address takes you straight to the official affiliate program page and helps you avoid ads or lookalike links. As the page loads, check for the lock icon next to the URL to confirm you're on the legitimate Semrush domain. When the page finishes loading, find the Apply Now button. It's usually near the top, but you may need to scroll a little depending on your screen size. If you don't see it immediately, refresh the page. Click Apply Now to start your application. You'll be directed to an application form where you'll provide your details. Before you begin, gather the basics you'll be asked for, such as your website or main promotional channels, your audience niche, the types of content you publish, and how you plan to promote Semrush. Be clear and specific. Good, transparent answers help reviewers understand your fit. Use accurate business information, check for typos, and ensure the email you enter is one you monitor regularly. If there's a section for traffic sources or estimated reach, answer honestly. It's normal for newer sites to grow over time. Review the program terms and privacy policy on the page, so you know how commissions, tracking, and compliance work. When you've completed the required fields, submit the form to send your application. That's it. You've opened your browser, gone to the official Semrush affiliate page, clicked Apply Now, and filled in the details needed to start the review process. Keep an eye on your inbox for updates from the program.